the ever-active and supportive Barangay Kagawan Honorable Virginia C. Pienza for the opening and welcome remarks. A round of applause, everyone.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. To our judges, to our candidates for Mr. and Miss Pico, to our youth, the SKs of Barangay Pico, to the barangay officials we have here on the stage, to our visitors, ladies and gentlemen, we are happy for this activity na nai-conduct nga nasapa. It is conducted early nga in March nga dandaniti contest. At least our candidates for Miss Pico this time for March will be well prepared. They will be able to answer questions because we are during the Strawberry Festival. It is not money that is selecting the Miss La Trinidad, but it is talent, not so much with beauty. As long as you are intelligent, never mind what is outside, the physical. At least we have many beautiful ladies in barangay and handsome men of Barangay Pico. Taga Pico amin ba dagitoy? In behalf of the barangay officials of Pico, we welcome you all for this evening's activity in selecting our Miss and Mr. Barangay Pico.
Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Kagawan, Virginia Pienza.